Hey alpacas, welcome back to another Alpacalypse Halloween adventure. So 2 years ago, we went at it carving pumpkins with samurai swords. Which, I guess...
We broke a table!
Yeah, that was good.
A table.
So, this year we decided we're gonna try it with Airsoft.
Whoa, what?
So the awesome people at B2 Airsoft have allowed us to come in here and try out the gun range, and we're going to have pumpkins out there and we're gonna cover them with BB guns. So
for all your airsoft needs, visit b2airsoft.com.
Alright, so I've got, these are just some of our demo weapons we have in the store. So we'll start with this guy. This is a G&G CM16. It's just an entry-level gun, but it'll shoot the most rounds what we've got. Next one is a KWA AK-74. This one's actually got a recoil engine in it, so it'll give you some vibration when you're shooting. Next one is a KWA, this one's an RM4, so it's an M4 version of the AK, but it's got a trace unit, so when you fire this one, it's gonna have some green rounds coming out of it. And then this one's out of my personal collection, so please don't drop it. This one is a KWA Chris Vector, which I don't make anymore. This one's a gas gun.
Oh.
Are we gonna hit those pumpkins with that? Do?
Oh.
Oh.
We're done. Yeah.
Oh. You're shooting my table. You're definitely shooting the table.
Aim higher. There we go. Higher, Gabby.
That wasn't a burst at the end at all.
Okay. Oh man. Okay.
yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna check out and see how far and how well we did. Assess the damage a little bit. There isn't really a pattern of any sort. Okay.
Like, again, guys, we're expert marksmen.
But it is
going through.
Yeah.
Okay, so here's what I think we gotta do. We've overcomplicated this. We're gonna redraw so we can like shoot holes through and make a face. Because there's no way we're gonna make a pattern out of this.
Alright, it's all safe.
Yay! Yay! Eating shit pumpkin.
It's all safe. Flip it up.
Yeah, I did. Oh, sorry.
I know it's not speed.
A few moments later.
Okay, so we're gonna try to speed up this process by fire squatting the shit out of everyone. Hopefully it will work.
You pumpkin are hereby sentenced to execution by BB gun for squashing our expectations. When ready, fire! Hey, you can tell them where to shoot.
Stand right here.
Oh, they go on the jump. Yeah. Okay, so that's an eye. Yeah. It's supposed to be an eye. For the treasonous death of Ichabod Spring, you are sentenced to death by Airsoft. When ready, fire.
sound grenade. It's a sound grenade, but it works off of pressure, from gas pressure going off from the bottom. So if I can hit this pin,
Sorry.
if I can hit this pin accurate enough and I can get this to go off, it'll at least make 130 decibels worth of noise, but it might actually, Whoa, okay. Don't touch that.
Okay, live grenade, I'm moving. Gabby, so what are we doing now?
So we decided, like any other good action movie, we're just gonna try to blow it up. So a boy is gonna precision shoot into the grenade. If you can hit the pin, it should make everybody deaf.
Well, I don't know if it'll make us deaf, but...
No.
Come on, we gotta dramatize it. So they'll be like, wow.
Get a close up of that. Let's get a close up of that.
Okay, here we go.
No.
It's not going off?
So how do you get it out?
That's what she said.
Basically, they work on impact, so if you throw them, they hit a hard surface.
Oh, I see.
It takes about an inch or two of like energy to hit it. It's only got to be a very small. That was
it. We were still rolling.
That was a little anticlimactic.
Did it give more of a...
That was pathetic.
One ready, fire! It's up to you. Okay. Sort of. Looks good. So, grenade round two?
Yeah, throw it if you want.
Throw it?
Pull the pin, throw it, and see what you hit. They won't impact until it lands.
Okay, okay. Here we go.
Alright, we got this?
Yep, rolling.
Is that it? Clearly that grenade is not going to go off.
Oh, fuck!
Yes!
So that's at full, you're over 4,000 rounds at that point to do what you've managed.
That's us though.
Make a woodcracker.
Yeah.
So,
Oh, what if we use it as a birdhouse?
Oh! You know what else I've got? Alright, let's get in there. Just like that. I gotta say, it's way easier now it's being like turned to mash a little bit. So here we've got the second bowl.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, okay. And we're gonna make this smile.
Cuts Gabby in the stomach. Got your prison shank on there.
It's, yeah.
It looks like it's dying.
Looks like it wants to die.
Yeah, it looks like it is.
You could say kill me, it would.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so on the next episode of Alpacalypse Adventures, we all take a trip to Cambodia and blow it up with a rocket launcher.
What?
Hey Alpacas, thanks for checking that out. As you can see, we didn't really do that well trying to pierce through the pumpkin, but I guess that's why people cover it with knives. So a huge shout out to B2 Airsoft for having us through and having us waste round after round. Be sure to subscribe, check out our other videos, and yeah, join the herd.
Stay tuned for next video. Happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween!